Alright, this is Jamie and. Oh no. This is Gazelle.
Knit and Gazelle.
Oh, we forgot the Knit and Gazelle morning show.
Even though it's like 7 o'clock at night.
Yep. And we will be doing
Chubby Bunny challenge.
yeah, we have a
If I drool, don't make fun of me. Because you're going to drool too if you do it.
we're going to be doing this together and seeing who can do the most. So, are you guys ready? Okay. You got a whole bunch of stuff.
Just so I can...
Alright. This is gonna be hard, I'm afraid. Alright, ready? We're gonna go. 3, 2, 2,
1.
1. Baby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
She's done it before, so she's cheating.
It's just tactic.
Baby Bunny.
It's so hard to laugh when they're in. Chubby Bunny. I gotta pull my lip forward. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Tony's gonna throw up. I mean, snot. That sounded gross. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm drooling. Okay. Tell you funny.
Just kidding. Jamie's done this before, so she cheated. I got this in my mouth, so this counts. This is disgusting. So 1, I'm gonna try to put this back in. Just kidding. See, my pile's bigger. Just kidding, we both lost. That was disgusting. I about choked myself.
I thought it was funny. You little surprise.
I bet. Thank you for watching. I cannot snap. What was that thing that Lozelle does? Is he okay?
Oh yeah.
Maybe we'll attempt this again, but probably not.
That might not probably happen.
Alright, goodbye. I'm gonna throw this away.
That's our for you.